Hi guys, I'm Nabeel Architect and I'm back with another amazing video. So in this video, we are going to learn about how to move cells in Excel software. I will go to Excel software, and here I type some example text. Okay, example, and example. Okay, if you want to move this cell, you simply click and hold and drag to which cell you want to move. Like here, I want to move here, and you can see also text example text also move here. Okay, if you want to move these two cells, you select these two cells and click and hold and move to another cells you want. I move to here. If you want to move like this, select and click and hold. Okay, like this. If you want to move three cells with same time, click and drag to where you want to paste. Okay, like this. So okay, this is a basic tutorial for Excel, how to move cell in Excel.